Good morning, this is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I want to show you the beautiful projects we just finished. It came out really pretty. We did the pillars here. These are really unique stones, unique pillars. Took a lot of work. We had to cut each stone by hand, so that's not an easy installation. And but it came out really nice on these pillars. These pillars eventually will also get a light on the top. We already have the prep for that over there. We did a short pillar as well right here to house the intercom and keypad for these gates. And now I'm going to enter a code and show you how these open up. So these are uphill gates, which we do quite often. Not a lot of people know how to do those properly. And you can see how when they open up, they kick out a little bit in the bottom to allow for that angle of the opening. But look how nice and clean that opening is once they're fully open. So it does allow for a nice, you know, there's enough room on this driveway to do that. And then when they will close, then you see there is a magnetic lock down the center for stability and for safety. And they close on a timer. So very shortly after they open up, they will, you know, one side starts to close earlier, so that way the magnetic lock doesn't get jammed in the center. And beautiful operation. And they seem like they're going to overlap, but they're perfectly nicely aligned. And there we have it. So that's about it. Another beautiful project. Uphill gates. I'm going to open them one more time because it's really neat. We also added a doorbird intercom system here that goes to the homeowner's cell phones and works as an app-based intercom system. But really, these gates are so cool the way they open up like this and clear the driveway. And then a nice, you know, regulated closing once they are completely done. So again, not a lot of companies know how to do those properly. We have a lot of experience with these, and we have managed to make them work in many difficult places. This one in particular wasn't particularly challenging, but it's still always a challenge with big heavy gates to have them open upwards like this. And we have the knowledge and the experience to do it properly. So that's about it. Ron for Mulholland Security in the Palisades, California.